super excited.
Yeah, me too.
So let's get to it.
Okay, we're off. Are you going to jump off the cliff? Yeah. Hugh, are you going to jump off the cliff?
Yeah.
Okay.
Jump. There's only one way down. Jump.
With my gun.
We'll see you, Dave. Daryl has to pull me out.
1, 2, 3.
Boom. Swim here.
Great job, Pearl.
Nice. Keep swimming, keep swimming, keep swimming.
Beautiful. You look like a pro.
that
Great
feel?
job. Wow.
Come on, Daddy, don't think about it. Just jump.
Here you go. You got it. You got it. Yay! Good one.
Good job, Hugh.
Awesome job, Hugh.
Can I do it again?
Hugh, was that fun?
I'll do it again. So fun.
It looked like fun.
Mom, you have to try it.
Yeah, I would. I will next time.
Fun.
Looks really good.
Can we jump off it again?
The river gets.
Mom, you should have tried it.
Oh man, I will next time. It looked so fun, Hugh.
Here, okay, we'll ask him in a little bit. Once we get
Whitewater Adventures.
Yeah.
There you go.
but I work half day Saturday, Tuesday, so last Monday, Tuesday, my family. There's that bit now. Paddle.
Paddle, get ahead of them!
No!
Oh no, they're squirting us!
Officially and not
Get them back, Pearl.
Hey, here we go.
Okay, hold on, guys.
There you go. Straight forward. Beautiful. Yeah.
Stop going.
So I'm gonna do 3 small hits or 1 big one.
One big one.
1 big one, okay?
Yes.
Let's get 3 forward. 3 forward, one. Ready?
Yep.
Pearl, how was that ride?
Amazing.
Oh no! What do they have? A bucket back there?
No, no!
How many of those things do they have?
Hey! No! Hey, that's my eyeball!
Whoa!
You said we didn't need paddles.
No, that felt like a bucket! Hugh, look, it's Whitewater.
Guys! Whoa! Whoa, guys! Whoa!
You guys keep up high. Rest it on your, yeah. Okay. Is that what we're doing now? We can rest? I got it. I just got myself sick.
Woo!
Come up, yeah!
that good?
Oh yeah.
Did you love it?
That river.
You ready for more? Yeah?
I'm trying to shoot that.
Yeah. Like a while ago back there, I saw this fish shaped like a squirrel.
Really?
It's different. Don't get too far from the... Great job, Hugh. Swim on back. Whoa, great job. Great jump. Great job, Pearl. Look at you guys. You look like we caught some fish in the river.
Fishing line, I got tangled.
Let's get 4 forward and catch up to them a little bit.
Hugh, did you take a bite out of the paddle?
No. Whoa, it was already in this though.
Oh, okay.
You're missing your front seat.
I know.
It looks like.
Is that where you lost it?
Biting into my paddle?
The shape of that notch looks like your teeth.
No. Oh, guys, can I go in that big? Can I go in that big one?
They're trying to.
Space! Yay!
Get the squirter! Yeah, there you go. You got it, Hugh.
If it was too cold.
Hey, you belong in this boat. Yeah. How'd you end up in that boat? We don't have enough rowers. Hey, Pearl, show us how it's done.
No, don't lose it. I'm not gonna put it until I find a spot that's warmer.
You're not going to find this spot.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Good job.
Yeah,
That was
that's good.
awesome.
Wow.
Oh, I'm gonna climb that. My fire!
Where's your paddle?
Guys! No, come on!